GRT continues to hold above a key area of support above the 0.1273 and above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which are both acting as support. And this is all playing out ahead of some major economic news, where today we are expecting the PPI. And on today's video, I will be discussing my short-term price prediction analysis, and above all, give you my long-term price prediction. And starting the video here on the daily chart, to first give you my long-term price prediction analysis, you can see that GRT gave us a bear market low last year, and after getting those lows, we saw a very aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that gave us a high above the 0.4947, completing the formation of this Elliot wave count 1. And after we picked in that Elliot wave count 1, I was expecting a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of this Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted here on the charts using this blue target area, an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the bear market lows to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, giving me a minimum retracement area for the second wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and that lies between the 0.2877 and the 0.1677, an area that we have now fully maximized. And you can see that at some point we lost the fib level 0.78, but the fib level 0.88, which is the last line of support, and that is above the 0.1282, continued to act as support. And there's still a high chance that we now have a low in place for that Elliot wave count 2, and in the next coming days or maybe weeks, we are going to start a very aggressive bounce to the upside in what I will be terming as the start of an impulsive Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low that we made last year to the high that we made this year in that Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving us a minimum target area for that Elliot wave count 3 above the 0.7877. And based on the current prices that we have at the moment, that will be a perfect 6x to the upside. Then we can expect a bit of a short-term pullback in an Elliot wave count 4, then continue gearing up even higher in an Elliot wave count 5, where we can easily manage to cash out more than a 10x to the upside. So that is my long-term price prediction analysis. Getting back to the 4-hour chart to give you what we need to expect for the next coming hours. In case we get some bullish PPI, there is a very high chance that GRT is going to continue seeing higher prices and manage to break above the next key area of resistance above the 0.1506. And the moment we manage to break above that, maybe with a retest, I will have my next target areas above the 0.165, which is the area over here, and a break above that area. Then we can aim for the significant highs that we made above the 0.18, and the moment we manage to break above those highs, then the $0.2 should be our next target areas. We also need to have in mind that we can also get some bearish news based on the CPI, and if that is the case, there's a chance that we can easily get a pullback to support on the 0.1276. And as long as that continues to hold, there's a chance that we can easily see a bounce back and manage to break above areas of resistances. But if by any chance we lose support on the 0.1276, then I will be watching for lower prices in a move that will easily give us a reset of the lows that we made on the 5th of August below the 0.1127. So that is the price action that I am expecting here on the GRT chart on the short term and also on the long term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.